Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to fall here further, already below 18,800, even though, and that is remarkable, Bitcoin is holding fairly well. Just to give you an example, Ethereum dropped back into the target area below 1280. The S&P 500, even though you know what I think about correlations, but still there are temporary correlations, not denying that, but they are far away from being a rule. But nevertheless, you know, the S&P 500 made a new low, so a low below the June lows, which is short-term quite bearish. But yeah, Bitcoin just avoids make new lows, which is showing its strength, in my opinion, generally, or at least, you know, the bears aren't ready yet. So we are very close here to breaking a new local low. So as you can see, this is one of the scenarios I'm following. There are two main scenarios, yeah, but this is actually the primary one, where we came down in a wave 1 here since the high at 25.2k, moved down in an ABC pattern. This is an ending diagonal. Then we moved up in a wave 2, ABC, yeah, and we came down in a wave 3, AB, and now C. Then we're going to move up ABC and come down ABC. Yeah, so this is sort of the view. That means we should come down even lower. Target for that wave 3 is around, yeah, originally it was sort of 17k. I think the latest move has pushed down this wave 3 because I have to move the wave A here. It's sort of less, it's sort of around 16k now. Actually, we can check that. It might have pushed it down a little bit more. Yeah, so it's just below 16k, so 15.8k. For that wave 3, it is the 1-to-1 ratio. Yeah, basically assuming wave C has the same length as wave A. And that's where we are at the moment. And if we go to the 1 hour chart here, yeah, you could say that this was possibly the wave 1, this here the wave 2, and we're now heading down in a wave 3 of 3. So no, wave 3 of C of 3. Not that it's complete yet, no, but that this maybe was only the wave 1, 2 of that wave 3. Again, we're getting into micro counting here again, but the point is that also this wave C has, the wave C has 5 waves. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And very importantly, Bitcoin doesn't make any attempts at the moment to move up impulsively. What you can see here, this is quite a corrective move up at the moment. And as long as we are below that 19,280 level, yeah, we can focus on lower. So against that level. Can I rule out that we don't go a little bit higher here in a wave 2? No, of course not. Then we have an A, B, C flat pattern. So the wave 2 has space, could theoretically now go all the way up to that $20,400 level here. Yeah, but already I think as soon as we get above 20k, it will get unrealistic, and then we might see a bigger wave B forming, because even the wave B has still space to unfold further to the upside. So there is currently nothing telling me or confirming basically that this couldn't become a larger wave B. So as long as we don't really, as long as we haven't really broken here the previous swing low at 18,160, there is still a chance and a certain probability that the wave B is still not finished and we actually see a larger wave B, because all of this here could have just been a wave A of an ABC pattern, so A, B, C, but we don't want to make it too complicated. The point is, as long as we stay now below, in the very short term, the 19,250, 19,000, let me just zoom in once more. Here, that swing higher, the 19,000, okay, 240 level. as long as that's the case, we can focus on the current count pushing down, okay, impulsively. That green candle does sort of hint towards the situation that we are in a wave 3, but it's a bit too early to confirm that. But that's sort of the view as per this scenario, okay? And then in the end, we're looking here at something, yeah, probably not in the region 14 to 16K anymore. It will be a bit lower. So 14 is fine, but the 16K level should already be reached in this wave 3. Then we've got this other wave count, which is fairly similar. Yeah, here. In this count, we, however, would not drop that much. That is the count where we said it's also a 5-wave move down, but the internals look different. So the wave A was very long, then we had a wave 2, that's the same. The wave 3 already finished here as a diagonal. Then the wave 4 up already complete, and that we're now heading down in a wave 5. Now again, nobody can say how long the wave 5 will be, but it's limited in the length of wave 3. So we said in the previous videos that, of course, because wave 5 cannot be, wave 3 cannot be the shortest one, the wave 5 needs to have a maximum of the length of wave 3. So what does that mean? That means if we go lower than 15,800, this scenario is sort of scrapped, okay? Because this is the 1-to-1 ratio between wave 3 and wave 5. The point is, if this really is a diagonal pattern, then wave 5 will unfold in 3 waves. And there is a case to be made that we say, okay, we already have A and B, and it might be heading down in wave C. So we might not make a massively lower low. There is a chance here, and that would be pretty much in line with my Ethereum expectation, that while Bitcoin might make a lower low, Ethereum doesn't, and Ethereum might hold above the $1,000 level and turn around, while Bitcoin maybe it's just coming down to 16.9K or something. Because 16.9K, you will remember, is a very, very important support level. It is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the larger Bitcoin cycle. And yeah, I don't like this count so much just by looking at the proportions and how it looks, but this can very well be the ABC, and it could suggest that wave 5 is unfolding as a zigzag here. Okay, that's what I'm looking at here. And again, also this count remains valid as long as we stay below 20,350 roughly, yeah? This previous swing high here from yesterday. So let's see how today is going to play out. Just to clarify, my strategy here is, if I do Bitcoin at the moment, it is sort of for long-term accumulation. I think it's a really good price now, but I don't have a reliable trade setup yet, at least not as per the Elliott Waves, yeah. So that's where we are, you know, and hope you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.